Welcome to our deep dive into whether IPTV is safe for viewers today. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, has gained popularity. But why is that? Viewers are attracted to IPTV for its affordable options and diverse content availability. However, many potential users ask themselves, is IPTV truly safe for streaming? We'll cover critical safety aspects, including privacy, legality, and potential risks involved. Firstly, let's discuss privacy concerns when using IPTV services for streaming. Many IPTV providers may collect user data, leading to potential privacy issues. Next, let's touch on the legality of using IPTV services in various regions. In some countries, using unauthorized IPTV services could lead to legal consequences. Security features also play a pivotal role in determining the safety of IPTV. Reliable IPTV providers offer secure connections and encryption for user data protection. So how do you choose a trustworthy IPTV provider that prioritizes safety? Look for providers with positive user reviews and transparent privacy policies. For our recommendation, check out our sponsor, 2tv.store, for the best IPTV. They have excellent features, customer support, and a commitment to user safety. In conclusion, while IPTV has its risks, safety can be managed effectively. Feel confident to explore IPTV with the right provider and precautions in place.